You can press the M button one time.
So you can Yep, it works.
It's
just my feeling again, you know.
Jesus. What do you think about it?
I love it.
Yeah, you do?
See, because the heel and toe in this car is really so good.
Yeah.
My footwork.
Yeah.
It's exactly what you want it to be.
You're gonna have a nice face on me.
That's good. Good takeoff.
Yeah.
Stuck.
No, the exhaust is Akrapovic full titanium exhaust all the way, and it's downpipe with 200 cells cats, and then it has PFC 11 brake pads, so it's still stock brakes but with PFCs pads and steel braided lines.
Suspension?
Öhlins road and track.
Obviously, on a car from Sweden.
Öhlins is near to my heart.
Swedish gold.
Yes. I think the car feels... I had some problem with the wheel alignment and it felt really strange, but we did some changes before we left, so I think it feels okay now. But we'll see what you think. I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. My first time driving 1M.
Yeah.
Been plenty of passenger many, but
you can press the M button one time. So you can,
yep, it works.
it's other throttle control.
You got what?
It sharpens up the
throttle.
Yeah, throttle, yeah. But it's also smooth, so it's kind of comfortable.
It is.
I don't think if you feel the same, but that's what I get as a feeling for the car. It can feel like it brakes a little bit too much on the rear. That's a good point to say. So you know.
Just the tires need a bit of temperature. We're on cactus, right?
Yeah, but they are kind of up to temp. Maybe a little bit too much tire pressure.
Oh, yeah, that could be it.
Yeah.
What pressures were running? We haven't checked, obviously.
I had cold pressure 2.2 and 2.4 in the rear.
Okay.
So they might be 2.5, 6 maybe. I want to go on lower pressure, but I don't have enough aggressive wheel alignment.
Yeah.
So I will just wear out the outside wall instead.
Yeah, makes sense.
So it's a little bit of a problem there.
Just the thing is, I had to really get used to this car because I just drove one with stock bad suspension.
Yeah.
So I need love the steering. This one has a very tight corner, but I didn't have to do lots of steering input because
No, the steering is perfect.
it's really good.
I think they did a really good job with this car, and
Absolutely.
the Alines made such a big difference.
Yeah.
It really made the car. It felt like it was something missing. The stock suspension was still stiff, but not stiff enough.
Yeah. Oh, it's good.
I'm really impressed.
Yeah. If you like it.
Yeah.
I love it as well myself.
And the sound with this exhaust is just the best.
Yeah, absolutely. It's very good. It's pure. It's not
Yeah.
obnoxious. It's not too loud.
No.
It's exactly what you want it to be.
You're gonna have a nice face of me.
That's good. Very
It's
good.
nice to see what the car can do also, because that was some really high speed there.
Yeah, it's the corner exit there was very good. I
Yeah.
love it. Good setup. And it's not even maximum camber, you said, huh?
No, it's 2.7 in the,
Fuck, still wet here.
yeah,
Still 180 through it, not bad.
no, yeah, it's 2.7 in camber in the front and 2.0 in the rear. Like, this is really impressive.
Yeah, I don't trust the track now.
No.
Because it's been like, you know, with all the rain and wet.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell at this point with the lighting that we have. That what the fuck is there? Something fell off.
Might be.
I don't know.
No, it's your phone.
My phone.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, fuck.
I think
Where
it's
is
on
it?
the left here. With the left one. Ah, it's okay. We can do another lap someday. I'm gonna stay here for all week, so.
No, it's good. I mean, it's just like I didn't want to. Up we go again.
Yep. First time the car is rubbing on this track also. I really think you drive good, because
Really,
otherwise I
it's
wouldn't trust you with it. And
Yeah.
the shit talks about you, I don't see why they do it, because you know how to drive on this track and you drive it all day. Of course, sometimes you make a mistake.
Haters will be haters.
Yeah, everybody makes mistakes.
Well, I mean, the last 2 years I had less crashes than the average Formula 1 driver, I guess. So,
Yeah.
you know,
You
that's
have.
the point where we're gonna have more comments from the haters. How dare you to compare yourself to a Formula
Yeah.
1 driver?
Exactly.
That's not the point.
No.
Good takeoff.
Yeah. So do you drive other cars? Is it like every day or?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, all summer.
Yeah, when the track's open, of course.
Yeah, of course. Must be a really dream coming true.
It has its advantages.
Yeah.
It also has its challenges.
Yeah, of course.
Nice, loved it.
Yeah, good. That's nice to hear. It also has a tune, so it's not stock.
So what's the power?
It's around 400 to 420.
Okay.
So it has another Wagner Evo 2 intercooler and...
Oh, that was nice.
yeah,
Thanks again.
thank you. It was a really fun lap.
Yeah, I enjoyed it too. It's like